Hello, Zenbei is always not here. I think if he still be absent later, I think maybe he has no chance to have the final examination. Why? This continue. Yeah, yes, I don't know why. What? I
She
don't
exactly
understand.
this boy. Exactly this boy. Rabbi, he got a chance another university in our country, so he will not be able to join any more classes. So that's the reason he disconnected to us.
He's no longer student in Hubei.
Yeah, he will not join there. Uh, he will not attend any more classes. He just exists. Yeah.
This means he is not our classmate. Why?
Exactly, Laushi.
Why? Where is he?
Present teacher.
Into another university.
Maybe I don't know.
He took admission into another university.
Teacher, they meant
Not
that
in China.
he already left the university.
Oh, he left the university.
Oh, okay, yes.
Oh, he left the university. Oh, he admitted in our country, got a chance in a public university. Oh, yes, me. Oh, okay. Oh, I know. He's not. He's not here. He got admitted into. Oh, I know. Okay. Then is not here. Okay. This one, 211.
Present teacher.
18. Hello, this one, 18.
Yes, Laushi.
08.
I'm here, miss.
Hashimo, 14. Okay. 13.
Present teacher.
Hello, 13.
Present teacher.
Okay, 09.
Yes, Laushi.
Hello, 09. Okay.
Yes, Laushi, I'm here. Okay.
Okay. 11.
I'm present, teacher.
Okay. 07.
I'm present teacher.
Okay. 20.
I'm present.
07. Hello, 07. Hello, 07, not here. Iter, 06.
Present, miss.
Okay. Oh, this one, 1206. Hello, 1206. Hello, this girl.
Present teacher. Present.
The present. 04. Hello, 04. Okay, present. Next, 05.
Present, Lordship.
Hello, 0. Okay. Huamin,
Present,
03. Okay. Number 12. Hello, number 12. Hello, number 12. Âu Shu Wen, 05. Lele,
السلام
17.
عليكم العشرات الإخوة الأعزاء.
Okay.
بيك
Next, Amos is
أشرف
here.
يعني وانتوا حيت كاين واحد السيستم
16.
ديال البريدينغ
Hello.
اللي ما تطلقش الفارمينغ لهاد البلانات الدراري تنحاول نهضر على كلشي ما ننسى والو. المهم ها هي
Let's be
كاينين
quiet.
تشيكنز وكاينين
زكريا المايك
روسترز هما التكوره
Zakaria.
وتشيكنز هما النكاو.
16.
في الماركت بليس ما تطلقش عاد كاينه
زيكو.
كيما كيكون
teacher
اللي كتزيد
teacher
لي
I'm
ستاتس
sorry I'm
داك
late but
الفلوس
I'm
ولا ديك
present
الدجاجه عندك. هنا هضرنا على هاد البلان الدراري كيفهم هادشي كتوكلوا اللعيبات وكل حاجه كشنو كتزيد.
زكريا المايك
بروتين
ديالك.
هذا كيزيدك لا فورس الا كتولي
مايك
سترونغ.
المايك والمايك
هذا كيزيدك لاجيليتي 18%. هذا مع التطرة.
Zakaria. Like I is.
Oh, which one is for 06? Which one? 16. Which one? Maybe for a second time, okay? 16. 16. Hello, 16. There. Where? This one? Oh, 16, 16. Next, 15. 15, 15. Hello, 15. Next, 02. Hello, 02.
Present, Lordship.
Next, 03. Hello. Next, 04. Zero 04. Hello. 08. Hello, 08. Hello, 08. Zero 01.
I'm here.
Okay. 09. This one.
Present teacher. Present. Teacher, I'm Ashraf. Teacher, I'm here.
Number 12.
Present, teacher.
Teacher.
Okay. Next, Jilang, not here. Yulian is here. Okay, we check it. Okay. Check it. Zenbei, not here. Hello, this one. This boy. 1207. Hello, this boy. Hello, 1207. Sure, it's not here. Hello, this girl. Number 12.211157622. Okay, not here. This one 16. Hello, this boy 16. Hello, 15. know what's your ID. Your name is oh yeah. Oh, this is 15 is you. This one is you. 204. This one.
Yep, teacher.
Okay. Okay, present. And 08. Hello, 08. Hello, this one, I don't know what's your ID, okay? This boy, I don't know your ID. Maybe you can send an ID here. And you should name the ID first and then name, okay? Because it only I only can say number is 211 and the other is I can't find it. Which one? Your R. This one. This one?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. ID first, okay? Name the ID first. Okay. Oh no, I will hold on. There was a boy name is let me check this one. R yo yo. R yo yo yo. Ooh. Yo Hello, this boy, can you say? The ID is 211-155-1222. This boy. I think you always be here, okay? You just be absent for one time. So don't worry about your test, okay? If from now on you attend our class every time, so I think it's okay. Hello, this one.
Lakshi, it's me.
Are you here? Okay. This boy. Oh, this boy. Don't worry about it. Okay, you're always here. So from now on, if you attend our class every time, you have the chance to attend our test. Okay, you have the chance to have the test. And now we
Laushi.
begin our class. What's
Laushi, I want to say about Mustafizur Rahman. Laushi, he got admitted here in Hubei University of Technology lately, maybe 4 or 5 weeks later. So already he missed so many classes. So he has nothing to do about this.
He had missed so many classes. Which one?
Not he. Miss, he got admitted lately, like 4 or 5 weeks later. He has nothing to do at this issue because he got admitted lately. That's it.
You say he maybe later
Yeah.
5 or 6 minutes.
Yeah, Laushi, that's the matter. Laushi, when he got admitted, we already finished maybe 4 or 5 weeks. We already finished. So he has nothing to do about this. He got admitted lately, very lately, maybe 4 or 5 weeks later.
You speak so loudly. Do you understand it? Oh,
Yeah.
maybe you just say the important words. Or send a message here.
Yeah, Laushi. He got admitted lately, so 1 month later. So it's normal that he misses so many classes because of not admitted.
He got automated. You say he got automated?
Yeah, he got admitted lately, maybe 4 or 5 weeks later.
Lately. Which one? Which one got automated lately?
Mustafizur Rahman, the boy.
After 4 weeks of our start. Hey, who? The first
This is
guy.
Mustafizur. Yeah.
Say
Laushi,
this
this
guy?
is Mustafizur. Yeah, this
You
guy.
see this guy?
Yeah.
No, he's always here. I say his seat. He is always here. Oh, this guy.
Yeah.
Let me check it. Which guy? Yes, he's always here. This guy.
Yeah, Laushi.
He's
I
always
have another
here.
question. Laushi, we know our exam will be maybe January 20, so that means he already missed so many classes. But our rules is like, if we miss so many classes, then we will not be able to perform our examination. So that's the matter. He's also worried about this.
Miss, I'm here. I had some internet problems.
What's the problem?
I had some internet problems.
You're always here.
No, it's not me.
Mustafiz, can you open your mic, bro?
Okay, send a message here. Send a message if you have any
Rahman and
questions. Send a
Mustafiz.
message here. Okay.
Okay.
It's me. Oh. Which one? Oh my God. Which one? This one? After 7 or 6 or 7 week. After 6 or 7 week. You say which one? He missed this one. Yeah, I know. Please send me the message. Which one? This one. Let me check it. Which one? You can say, I send a message. Here, this one. Oh, you see this one? Oh.
Miss this one.
Oh, see, ID is 1215.
Miss.
This one. This one start from 7 week. Okay, I will check. Wait a moment. You are here, but why this time you also be absent?
Miss, me too, because we have some raining issues. It's been raining in Morocco lately, and we lost internet.
Issues? What's the issues?
It's raining, we always lost connection somehow. My ID is 1216.
1215.
1215 and 1216.
1216.
Yeah.
One by one. You see this one also. I take the first one. 1215. You always be here. You can say present every time.
دوق عليها وقول لها راه كانت تشتك
We
تصب.
begin our class late, so it's okay. Let me check it. This one.
شرا خرب قلب بنغلاديش يا صاحبي كما كدوا على حمزة.
Also, this one you also be here only once. Okay, so don't worry about it. Because we begin our class late, you know.
Thanks, miss.
Okay, we begin our class. Okay, we have wasted a lot of time. Now, begin we have learn the new knowledge. I want to ask you this one. Do you remember? Do you remember this right here? Do you remember D is sin x is equal to? We learned it last time. This one is equal to cosine x, right? Cosine x. And also, do you remember this? Cosine x is equal to, do you remember? Hello? Put down your phone. What? Sine minus x, right? And also this one, tan x. Second what? Yeah, second square x. And this one, do you know this one? Anyone knows this one? dx cotangent x. Yes, it's minus cosecant, we write cosecant x. Okay, and also we learned the chain rule. With the chain rule, and to remember how to calculate the derivative of a composition. We have the chain rule, which remember the chain rule this way. This means the derivative of a composite function is the derivative of outer function evaluated at inner function times the derivative of the inner function. And we have solved example 1, example 2, and exam 3. Please try to finish exam 3. Okay, maybe try. Exam 3. By the chain rule, try to finish exam 3. Okay, if you forget it, maybe you can say the notes you have taken last time. Maybe you can remember something. Okay, exam 3. Have a try quickly. Okay. Oh, where is Julia? It's coming. It's always coming.
你是白老板登录，你是提供出来的。
You want to buy a voucher?
Yeah.
Why does he? Why aren't he? Where isn't he prepare it before class? Maybe we are talking about the knowledge. Okay, no, nothing. And when we take exercise, we don't know how to do it. So it's okay. Fine. I love Taylor. Unit U is X. Oh, the parallel, right? Lines has good.
So,
You should find the right outer function and the inner function.
this
This is what inner function. Inner function. And what's the outer function? And this is what?
yes.
dx. No. This is you like x is this one. Yes. Right.
And this one is the
This is
US. This one is
dx. This is the derivative, but here you correct the derivative.
okay. Well, she wants to go still. And then go.
Hello, anyone? Finished it. You can show it for me. Let me see. Yes, I think it's a little complicated to get the final answer, right? Final result. dx 有不盖对括号。What's this? This is 13. Oh, this is 13. We should find the derivative of the outer function.
But the derivative of this function
Yeah,
is this one.
yes, this is right, but you should first calculate the derivative of the outer function, hence the derivative of the inner function. So 13, what's 13? Why you get 13?
The derivative of this function is 13x 12. Right?
Yeah, right?
Okay, I should put it first.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you should also replace x by this one. Okay, let's review the answer. Okay. Here we like to, we decompose this function. We like y is u power 13 and u is t cube minus 2t plus 1 over t power 4 plus 3. The chain rule followed by the quotient rule gives we remember the chain rule is the derivative of the outer function x, the inner function. So the derivative of the outer function is 13u power 12, right? And then x, the inner function. This means you should replace u by this function. So it's 13 tq minus 2t plus 1 over t power 4 plus 3. Here this is 12, right? And times the derivative of the inner function. This is the inner function, the derivative of the inner function. When we calculate the derivative of the inner function, we should, this means we should use the quotient rule, right? Quotient rule. Here, we get the result by quotient rule. And then we simplify it. We have the answer. Okay. And the question is, do you understand it? Okay. Yeah. Oh, someone. Okay. Wow. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, thank you. And we continue. Okay, we continue. Here, I think you can get this one directly. Example 4. Oh, let me check the picture, the answer you have. You sent, the answer you sent. Oh, this one. Oh, right. Oh, this right. You have wrong calculation. Maybe you should be careful. Oh, this is right. Okay, I think you know how to use the chain rule. And the important thing you should be more with Nirzan in Chinese, in English. I forgot. 认真. Okay, please tell me the answer for example 4. Y is sin 2x. Find dy over dx. I remember last time, I think we have done a similar example last time. Please tell me this, your answer. This means dx sin 2x is equal to yes, 2 cosine 2x. Cosine 2x. Okay. This y is simple. So we continue. Okay. And the example 5. Example 5, try to find this one. Okay, this one. F prime y is find F prime y where Fy is y sin y square. Hello, continue this one. I think you should be careful to handle this one because if you want to have the right answer, okay, please have a try, and when you finish it, you can send your answer to me, and I will check it. finish. This is our final answer. 2y somewhere square times cos y. Of course, it's wrong.
Is wrong?
Yeah, of course. Of course, it's wrong. First, you should use product rule, right? And then next.
Is not chain rule.
Yes, product rule and chain rule. First, use product rule. It's 2 from y times some y squared. Okay, so 1 minute. And it's good. Wow. Oh, one by one. First, the students, the answer is right. Second one, let me check it. This is plus or minus the second one. Plus, so you should write clearly, okay? Yeah, right. If it's plus, it's right. Okay, now we'll show this one. You have different answers. Can you see these answers? Hello, can you see this one?
Yes, Roshi.
I think this is right. This one is right. You know, Fy is y times Fy is y times sin y square. We find f prime y. So first we will use product rule, right? The first. Yeah. Is equal to the first times the derivative of second. Plus the second times the derivative of first. Okay. And then, so this one, we want to find this one. This is, we want to find the dy sin y square. This is y is sin y square. Sin y square. This means sin. Sin y square. We can write is decompose sin u is y square, right? Sin u is y square. So this is a composite. We will use a changer is equal to the derivative of outer functions. The outer function, of course, is sin u, right? So it's equal to du sin u times the derivative of the inner function. U is y square. Inner function. So times dy y square. Okay, right here. Du sin u is cosine u times dy y square is 2y. And then we should replace y by y square. So 2y cosine y square. Okay. So we write this y times 2y cosine y square plus sin y square times dy is 1. So this is the final answer. This one is right. This one. Okay, any questions? This one, any questions? Who is making noise? Which boy? Okay. Any questions? Are you right? Are you right? Okay, good. Okay. And this one, maybe, you know, we have take many exercise too. You can see this part is very important. So I hope you can do every examples. You have the right answer. Example 7, quickly. 1/2x minus 1 cube. We should find the right order function and the inner function. Oh, I have a question. This one. Do you remember this one? We know the power here. The power, you know, this is equal to a x n minus 1, right? And do you know this? It's equal to, here this is positive, here, but here is negative. It's equal to
X
x
is equal to nx minus nx minus derivation plus n minus 1
Minus one.
minus n.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe example 7, we will use power law. Okay, I think it's, if we use the power law, it's easy to calculate it. It's convenient. Right? Convenient, 方便. Let me take it. Convenient. Okay, someone have share his answer. Let me check it. First one, okay, all right. Oh, perfect. And this one, let me see. All right. Okay, it's right. Congratulations. This is 2 students have the right answer. Let me see. The number is 11 and 14. The ID 14 and number 11 have the right answer. As is, you do use the same variable. This is x, this is also x. If you are familiar with the changer, maybe you you can directly get the answer. This means it's useless or it's not necessary to decompose, right? Like which one? 14, he gets the right answer. Let me check Lily's. That means Lily's answer. Oh, Lily is also right. Okay. Okay, let me check this one. This one. Yeah. I think you can see the answer for, I don't remember his ID. Okay, this one. He read clearly. Okay, and we want to calculate the, here we want to calculate the derivative. Derivative of this function, and here right this is a power function, but here this negative number, so the 2x minus 1 minus 3, and we remember by the general this I decompose it this time. Maybe next time I also write like this directly. Okay, so maybe in your mind, you know, you will write u is equal to 2x minus 1. So y, this means y is uq minus 3, power minus 3, right? I remind you that you should not use the same variable. This is x, this is not x, you should use another variable, okay? If you use this is also x, this is x, I think your answer is, of course, wrong, okay? And, you know, you forgot this. You forgot the prime, okay? For the second line, you forgot the prime. Derivative is equal to the derivative of the outer function. The outer function is u minus 3. So the derivative is minus 3. This is u, here is minus, right? This is minus 3 minus 1. At the inner function. So he directly write u is 2x minus 1 and times the derivative of the inner function. So he write the d over dx, the 2x minus 1. And he simplified it. This is minus 3. 2x minus 1, this is the negative 4 times, you know, this derivative is 2. So he simplified it again. This is the minus 6, 2x minus 1, power minus 4. So he got the right answer. Okay, any question? No? All right. Amos, all right. And Julia?
我错了，老师。So understand now，我错了。
Yeah, I know you did it, but what's the answer? Right or wrong? You guys?
It's wrong.
Wrong? Okay, maybe you should do more exercise for both guys, to both of you. So now maybe we can apply the changer more than once, because I think you should do more exercise, because later you think our example is more complicated than the first, right? So, okay, apply the changer more than once. Sometimes when we apply the changer to a composite function, we find that differentiation of the inner function also requires the changer. In cases like this, we apply we simply have to use the changer a second time. Okay, now I will explain it later. Now I want you try to finish example 9. Have a try. Even your answer is wrong, it's okay. Okay, have a try. And then we explain it. Okay, you should remember maybe example 9 we will use changer twice. There's a second time. Okay, have a try. This is another chance. Maybe you can get the right answer. Example 9, we have to mind exercise, right? Hello, Julian. So if after class you haven't finished the 1, this means every exercise you get the wrong answer. So I think it's a little sign. Right, it's a little sign for you, also for me. Check our WeChat group. What's wrong? Oh, WeChat group. Oh, maybe you can send in our meeting because I can share your answer in our meeting, Lily. Oh, net problem. You have net problem. You can't share. Let me see. It's too low. Okay. Maybe you should try to find the outer function and the inner function. Yeah, I think Lily's answer is right. Okay, congratulations. What? How fast? I will need to do more exercise after class. Okay. But one lady can do it. I think really, she's a girl. Okay, now explain it, okay? Please listen to me carefully if you don't know how to do it. Here, this is, you should know right. Sin cube for x. This means sin for x times sin for x times sin for x, right? So we write simply, please, sin cube for x. 3x, 3 sin to x, the multiply by yourself. Okay. And there's a sin cube. Maybe you write like this, sin for x cube. Okay, right? So if y, maybe you can write this y is equal to this 1. We want to find the dxy. And we should find the outer function. Please tell me the outer function. Right? Outer function. X cube. You should change another variable. Here, this is x. U cube, right? You should y is u cube. And this means your inner function is equal to this means u is sin for x, right? So you should write properly like this. Not y is x cube, u is sin for x. Okay? Please remember it. And now, if you find the outer and inner function, we will use the changer dxy. Dx is y is equal to the derivative of the outer function. So this is 3u square, right? times the derivative sin, sin, sin for x, right? And we remember replace u by what? U by sin for x. Okay, so this sin for x square. Okay, now our target is to calculate this one. This is also a composite, right? So this is a composite. We calculate this one. To remember, we have this one before. Just a few minutes, we calculate this one. And please tell me the answer for sin for x, dx sin for x is equal to for cosine for x, right? You can also, this is a composite. You can also his outer function and inner function, right? The outer function is sin u, inner function, this is sin u, inner function u is for x, right? This is a different u, right? So this is the cosine u times 4. So it's 4 cosine for x. Okay, if we get this one, then this is equal to times 4 cosine for x. So this is our answer is 12 sin for x square times cosine for x. Let me check Lily's answer. Oh, Lily, you should write sin for Lily, you should be noticed right. Sin for x is square right here, not sin for x square. Okay, this is wrong. This is wrong. This is right. Or you write sin for x square, but not this form. Okay, but not this form. Okay, exam 9, any questions? I think, okay, we continue. Here, there's an answer. Okay, maybe number 10. Small complicated. Is it dx sine cosine x square? Please try to find the inner function and outer function. Example 10. Dx sine cosine x square. Okay, I will try example 10. Maybe you should first write the outer function and inner function, okay? Because at first you cannot get the answer directly. Just write the outer and inner functions.
how to fix this in picture.
Oh, this is the picture. Maybe you just write the author in the fraction. This is the first step. Okay, if you want to run. If you want to be as fast as okay. Let me check it. Cosine. Yes, right. Dx. Hello, 14. 14 here is minus. You should add this called括号.括号is black case. No, wait, I find this English word. Bracket. 14. You forget. You should add a bracket. This is minus because here this is the minus sin square x square. Bracket. Okay, I see your answer is right. Wow. Because students in our classroom is very, this is Chinese 羡慕. We maybe admire, right? A little admire. Why you do it fast? How could you do it? Oh, as is even. Envy. Oh, this is envy. Envy you. We have this course last year. Yes, I did. Why you have learned this last year? Because he learned it before. So maybe you can understand it. Okay, next slide. Okay. This demonstrates that you learned it where, right? Because you learned it last year and today you can remember it, so you learned it where. Dx sin cosine x square. So dx sin cosine x square. Just please tell me the outer function. You like the outer function? Right. Speak it. Is cosine outer sin. Maybe you just write this is u, okay? So outer u, right? And inner function u, this means cosine x square, right? So easy. So it's equal to the derivative of the outer function. So it should be cosine u, right? You just write it. And the derivative of the inner function, this means dx cosine x square, right? So next we should calculate this carefully, right? So we calculate dx cosine x square. We find that this is a composite, right? So we can find the outer function. Please tell me the outer function. Yes, of course, because this is a composite. Or otherwise, as if you can directly get this answer, maybe it's not. So if not, you still find the outer function and inner function. Please tell me the outer function is equal to cosine u. Inner function is equal to, you should say u is x square, right? U is x square. So this derivative is equal to the derivative of the outer function. Please tell me this is equal to minus sin u, right? Times the derivative of the inner function. Inner function is equal to 2x, right? 2x. And it should replace u by what? X squared, right? You know, this u is not equal to this u, right? We just use the same variable because they are all composite functions. So we find this means we have already found the cos x squared is equal to minus sin x squared times what? 2x, right? If you find this means we have already get the answer, right? Okay, right, this is the cosine. Okay, u is what? Here, this is u, right? So replace u by the cosine x squared, right? Times dx cosine x squared here, right? So it's minus 2x sin x squared. So this is the answer, right? So you can find it's so important to write the outer and inner functions, right? It's so important. Before you are very familiar with the tensor, I think you should write the inner outer functions first. What's wrong?
The first one, why is cosine is weight? The first one down. The first cos, yeah.
The y is cosine x squared. Here, u is what? This is cosine u, right? Cosine u is what? We decompose like this. U is cosine x squared, right? First, you decompose this. You let u to me sin u, outer function is sin u, inner function is cosine squared. So we got this cosine u. Do you understand it? Cosine u? The derivative of the outer function, sin u, right? Cosine u. Now we should replace u by this one, inner function, right? So it's very important to write the inner and outer functions, right? Okay, every time you should write the inner and outer function. If you are not familiar with this rule, I think the first you should write inner and outer functions. Okay, concepts review. Y is f u is gt and dty is equal to duy times what? Okay. Number 10. Any questions for number 10? Wait a minute. Number 10. Any? 没有? Okay. I write. Still wrong. So it's a pity. Okay, concept review. This one, duy times what? Yes, times what? Times fu. This is the outer function, right? U is gt, inner function. The derivative of outer function times the derivative of inner function. G dtg or dtu. Okay. In function notation, dtu is also right. Fg prime t is equal to duy du. This means f prime u, right? But u at inner function, so f prime gt, right? Times dtg, this is g prime t. This is right. Okay. And also if omega is gv, v is hs. Here we write v is hs. So across is inner, right? Omega is gv is outer function. So ds omega. This means omega is gv, v is hs. We can compose the term. We find omega is gv with hs. So here the variable, the independent variable is S. So we write is D as omega, right? So it's equal to what? Here is D as V, and what we should write here. Write what? Write the derivative of the outer function, right? So it's d outer function is this one. So it's the variable is v, so it's dv omega times, right? Okay, so it's g circulate prime s is equal to this g prime hx times h prime x, right, okay. And 3 and 4, please have a try. Okay, number 3 and number 4 by yourself. Okay, number 3 and number 4 by yourself, please have a try. dx cosine, here is cosine fx square is equal to, you should find the inner function, the outer function. Number 4 also. Okay. If we have gotten your answer, you can share in the WeChat group or in our meeting. Huh? Yeah.
腾讯会议 Tencent meeting
If you are, let me see. Cosine. Oh, this one. Right, the outer function, the inner functions. I will try. Number 4. This is, oh, wow. Number 4. 2x plus 1 cube. 2x cosine x squared. Plus sine x squared plus 2, 3. Oh, wow. Hello, Lily. Do you learn this part before? Because I think you are also familiar with it. Hello, Lily. Do you learn it before? Okay, let's see. Yeah, she did XD. What's XD? What's XD? Do you know? What's XD? It's ha ha. Yeah, oh, Lily, this means Lily do exercise very, I saw this, 认真. Oh, she's a hardworking girl, right? Lily is a hardworking girl. Because she didn't learn it before, but she can give the answers quickly, right? Also, it's the right answer. So this is very important. Okay. 3, number 3. Please tell me the outer fraction. Here, outer, this is outside, right? So outside, we say the cosine. So we just light this is u, okay? So the outer fraction is cosine u. Inner fraction is u is fx squared, right? Okay, so it's the derivative of the outer fraction. So cosine u derivative is equal to minus sine u, right? And we know u is fx squared, so it's minus sine fx squared, right? Times, you did. Sometimes, maybe this is the first one you did it right? Times dx. Dx, the derivative of the inner fraction. The inner function is fx squared. So you just write d fx squared. Okay, so that's right. Okay, and number 4. Do you have finished number 4? It's okay. It's a long time you haven't finished it. Okay, number 4. We'll review the answers. Explain it. Oh, we can say this is product, right? So we will use product rule. This one times, maybe this side is dx sine x squared, right? But we should calculate the result. And we should notice that sine square x is not equal to sine x squared. The first one is sine x times x. But the second one is sine x times x. So they are not equal, okay? Don't be confused. Not equal. So this is a composite. We can say, if we let this is u, so the outer function is equal to sine u, right? The inner function is equal to u is x squared, right? So the derivative of the outer function, this is 2 cosine u times the derivative of the inner function is 2x. And we should replace u here is x squared. So it's 2x times cosine x squared here. So this is 2x cosine x squared plus here, this one, plus the second times the derivative of the first. So we want to calculate this one. Cube, right? And 2x plus 1 cube. Here, cube outside. So we can find the out, please tell me the out function. Quickly. Tell me the out function. This one, out function.
Is
Yes, your Q. And the inner function? U is also U is, okay? U is 2x plus 1. So it's equal to the derivative of the outer function is 3u cubed times the derivative of the inner function 2, right? So 6u squared, u is 2x plus 1 squared. So this is 2x plus 1 squared, right? Are you right? You're right? Almost. Almost this is wrong, right? Okay. You have a chance to grasp the channel. Number 2, number 4, number 10, number 12, 27. Please, quickly. Okay. Okay, do exercise quickly. You can send your answer to me and I will check it, okay? Quickly.
The second one is EX, right? The first one, number 2, EX, we want to calculate. DS before DS is equal is the directive. When we want to the answer we want to find is DS. So if we want to always is DS. Put DS1 is one like this. This one we want. This one. We want DS of this function. So we write DS. One is the one. Okay.
Which one? I'm doing which one? I'm doing now. Huh? Number two. Still number two. We play. Okay, wow. Uh-huh. Wow, 11. I think you should write clearly because Kao San San is hard for me to recognize it, right? Write neatly.
Write neatly.
Right neatly. Okay, let's see Lily's. Wow. You say Lily has writing neatly. You can see. It's Lily's answer. The right neat. His answer is neatly. His answer is neat. Wow. And from 2, 4, 10, 12, all are right. Lily. Was so beautiful, you can see. It's you. Oh, sorry. Oh, 14. 法西木, right? Your Chinese name is 法西木. Okay. Oh, 法西木. Oh, right. 法西木, right. His answer is so beautiful. It's beautiful, right? Okay, let's check the student. I will see the students in our classroom. How it's going on? Okay, we will explain it. Okay, now. Okay, wait a moment. Hello, everyone. Can you say Fashimu's answer? Here, I will explain it. The first, number 2. Why is you can say y is 7 plus x power 4 power 5. So the derivative is 5 times 7 plus x power 4. I think it's right. Okay, it's right. 5 times 7 plus x power 4. Right? Huh? It's right.
Number 2, we don't need to find the enough function.
Maybe he is very familiar with it. You can. Yes, it's needed. This means if you are very familiar with the changer, maybe you can omit this process. Directly write the answer.
But with that process, the result is not the same.
Maybe you are wrong, right? Are you right, Julia? No, you are wrong. This is why this plus, this composite, not product rule. This chain rule, so no plus is product, is multiply, so this is wrong. The derivative of outer function is 5u power 4, right? Times the derivative of inner function. Just times 1. Right? Why will you have plus? So wrong. Okay. Number 2 is right, is this way right, and number 4. Of course, the inner outer function is u power 7. So it is 7 4 plus 2x squared to the power 6, right? Times the derivative of the inner function is 4x. So we can find this 28x times 4 plus 2x squared power 6. This is right. Number 4, are you right? Why? I don't know why. You just find the outer function, the inner function. So this is why I always want you to do it, because we explain exam 9, exam 10, you all understand it, right? But when you do the always wrong. So you should do more exercise by yourself. Okay? And number 10, this is the inner function is this one. The outer function is cosine u, right? Inner function is u is 3x squared minus 2x. So the derivative is the derivative of the outer function, the minus sine 3x squared minus 2 squared times the derivative of the inner function, 6x minus 2. Simplified it, all is the same. This one right. Number 10 is right. And number, okay, number 12. 橡皮擦. Number 12, this is sine here, sine power 4, 3, right here. Number 12 is sine power 4, 3x squared. So maybe we write like this, is sine 3x squared power 4. They are the same, right? So we can get the outer function is u power 4. Inner function is u is sine 3x squared. So we use the chain rule is the derivative of the outer function. The outer function u power 4. The derivative is 4u cube, right? U is sine 3x squared. So it's 4 sine 3x squared cube. This one, right? Times the derivative of the inner function. Inner, here, this inner function. Now, this inner function. Okay, so this we cover it and calculate this one. This one. Sine x 3x squared is also a composite. And the outer function is sine u. Inner function u is 3x squared. So the derivative of the outer function is cosine u, because u is 3x squared. So it's cosine 3x squared times the derivative of the inner function, the 6x. So he gets the right answer. Okay. 2, 4, 10, 12. Any questions? No question. Why always no questions but doing wrong?
You can understand also.
Hmm?
So when we are with the homework,
So this means you're doing later. At least doing two exercises 做的太少了。You just know, you say the answer, you know, right, but you cover the answer.
by yourself,
Yeah, so this is why not always I talking. I want you to exercise. Hurry up, this means, right? Because your examination is also do by yourself.
I have one question about the examination. They will give us paper now. Because who try to fill online.
Hmm?
You say the exam is online.
Mm.
So how do you do the exam online?
The exam online, maybe you can do in your notebook and take a picture. Take a picture and paste the picture on the Word. Okay? 粘贴复制粘贴。
PDF.
Yeah, and then turn from Word to PDF.
We turn on the camera and we fill the question, the answer, and then we send to you.
No. You can't only send me the answers because I will hand in our examinations, our test paper to the office, please. Office. So I can't only give them the answers. So this means, okay, I will show it for you. Hello, everyone. I will show it. If we do our examinations online, how could we finish it? Okay. For example, you can, this is 新建, construct a word. I think you can do it. This is word. Oh, I will show. Okay, I will show it. Maybe you can, from now you should have. Okay, you just think how to have this. Now, hello. I will talk about how to our examination. You should this 建立Microsoft Word file. You write your ID here. This is your ID named by your ID and open it. Oh, this is not you construct. This means I send the test paper to you. Okay, you can just imagine this is our test paper. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, I don't know why it's too slow. Maybe you should think how to get the word from now on. Yes, you should do it on paper and made but not the only answer, okay? Here, for example, this is our test paper. You can see this is our problem. Problems 1, problems 2. Here, problems 2, okay? I will send it to you. And here is problem, for example, is try to find, for example, this find the derivative, find maybe this is the first one is find the dxy. Okay, maybe y is x. Find this. Y is so small. What? Yes, I know. Just like explain how to do it online. Okay, in case you do it online, how could you do? Right? So you should listen in case this happens. Right? So, for example, this is our test. Is find the derivative dx science. Okay? And how you finish that, you should, you should, for example, here, this is for example, this is the answer. For example, this is answer. You take a picture, right? Take a picture and you, okay, paste. Then paste it here, right? This is answer. But you can see this picture is the size is big, right? So you should here, you should adjust here, adjust the size in the purple, right? In the purple here, adjust the size. But it's not too small. If it's too small, it's too difficult for me to recognize the answer. Okay, so you can say, hey, okay, this is your answer, and you should paste your answer on the right place here. This is the example. Problems 1, you should paste here, but not here. Okay, this is problems 2. Okay, not here, and then yes, and then if you finish all of it, and then you should transform into here. This is actually it. Maybe this is PDF. Okay, here this is also your ID. You should write your ID. You should write your ID here, and then you save it, and you send your test paper to my mail. And if I receive it and I check it, it's okay. I will reply to you. Okay, and I received your test paper, and it's okay. Okay, you can. This means okay, but also you should write. This is not our test paper. Our test paper here. You should also write your name here. We have the real test paper. We have the place. You should write your ID and name also here in the test paper. Okay. Okay. Here, this is how to align. How to have an examination online. Okay, but if some students only like this, he can trust a new word, only send his answers. So this is not informal. This not informal. This is not informal.
Online side. I say this is not my first time.
Oh, not your first time. Oh, so I think this.
Coronavirus, the beginning coronavirus.
Oh, you already do it before, right? So then you understand it. Okay. We begin or continue to our exercise. Which one? Oh, the last one, right? Last one, explain it. Last one here. 27. You find this is which one's cube, right? So maybe we like this complicated like this is U. So it can be decomposed as outer this is y is U cube outer function, and the U is sine over cosine 2x, right? So the derivative dy over dx is equal to the derivative of the outer function, 3u squared, times the derivative of the inner function. And now we will calculate this one. dx sin x over cosine 2x. We will use the quotient rule as the derivative of the numerator is cos x times the denominator cosine 2x minus the derivative of the denominator. This one, the derivative of this one is equal to cosine 2x is also a composite. So it's equal to minus cosine 2x prime is minus sine 2x times 2. And in times the numerator is sine x. All divided by cosine square 2x. So we find this is equal to cosine square 2x, the cosine x, cosine 2x plus 2 sine x, sine 2x. And then we write here 3u, use this one. Okay. Over cosine 2x times this one. So we simplified it is cosine cube 2x 3 sin x cosine 2x plus 2 sin square x sin 2x. Here, this is our answer. Okay. So it's very important to grasp the change. Okay. Okay, maybe next time we will learn the higher order derivatives, because we just learned the operation of differentiation takes a function f, produce a new function f prime. If we now differentiate f prime, we produce still another function denoted by f double prime. F double prime. This is called the second derivative of f. It in turn may be differentiated, thereby producing f. This is third derivative. F first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, and so on. The first derivative is denoted by not like this. Okay, we write like brackets for. The fifth brackets 5. Okay, for example, f(x) is this one. F prime we know is 6x squared minus 8x plus 7. F double prime, this means f double prime we should take a derivative of f prime x, so it's 12x minus 8. F third prime is equal to 12, right? Do you understand this one? This one? Okay, next time, f first prime, we know is 0. Since the derivative of the 0 function is 0, so the first derivative and all higher order derivatives of f will be 0. This means f fifth prime x is also 0. F sixth prime is also 0. Okay, order. And we will introduce the higher order derivatives next time. Okay, this is Thursday. Thursday we have class morning and night. Right. Morning and night, right? Morning and night. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah, today's that week, so I have to class tomorrow.